What's up, everybody, and Happy New Year. I know it's been a little while since I made a video, and if you read the title, you'll know why. My car actually broke down and left me stranded, and it sucked a little bit. And I'm gonna put some pictures up right here, or here, it's on the screen somewhere, of them towing the car off. So the steering wheel lock inside the steering wheel went out, and if you know anything about Mercedes-Benz, this is a common issue with a lot of their cars. So when you put the key in, you should hear a clicking noise that the key is, I forget, it somehow sends a signal, and it turns this little motor that unlocks this lock in the steering wheel, so the steering wheel unlocks and lets you start the car. Well, if this motor goes out, it won't let you do anything. You can't start, you can't put it in gear. And Mercedes, being Mercedes, likes to try to replace everything as a modular. So they want to replace the actual steering lock control with the tumbler for the key and the key as one unit, to a cost of like $1,600. And that's a little bit ridiculous. But there is a way to solve that, and you could just replace the little motor in it. The motor, only people that produce it is in China, so we've been waiting a little while to get it. So as soon as we get that and I get the car here, we'll have more content from that. But I just wanted to make sure that I wished everybody a Happy New Year, and just to let you know what was going on. And then, I'll be having more videos because, there's snow all over the ground here in Indiana right now. We've had extremely cold temperatures. You're talking in the negatives. But we will have more stuff coming for this year. I have new camera gear coming, so we'll be able to get a lot more cool angles and detail. Sound work will be better. So from this point forward, we'll just be progressing a little bit as it goes, and we'll just see how we are. Like I said, I hope you guys stay here. I say that on every video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and this is going to be the big year. It's going to be a big year, so stay tuned for everything, and as always, have a nice day. Peace.